Hey guys, so I'm just going to show you what you need to use to make your digital vision board. So I've got my picture frame here, which I got from IKEA. So I just have the measurements here, 30 by 40 centimeters or 11¼ by 15¼ You can see, you know, there's a longer side versus the shorter side, so you know what your width and height is, or whichever way you want your vision board to go. It could be this way or it could be this way. This is the way I'm going to do mine. Then you go over here to Canva and then do use custom dimensions. Make sure you're in your inches because it can be in pixels or millimeters or inches. So make sure it's in your inches and then enter the dimensions from your picture frame. So 15.75 is my width and 11.75 is my height. Okay, cool. So now you've got your picture here and you can go to your uploads. So it's going to have all the pictures that you put in from your Pinterest board. So over here in Pinterest, I'm just over here in Pinterest. You want to make a board on Pinterest, adding all the pictures that fulfill your vision. So after you've written down everything you want, then you'll know what to search for. I like searching in Pinterest because it gives me more aesthetic pictures than just Google, but you can always search in Google as well. And then I also like to search on Instagram because I can search by hashtags to get the exact aesthetic of the pictures that I want. So Pinterest, Google, and Instagram are your best friends for making your digital vision board. Oh look, someone even has a little collage here that they've made. Awesome. So yeah, so once you're in Pinterest and you've put all your pictures together, download them all and then go back to Canva and upload them here. As you can see, I've got some of my pictures from my vision board there. And then you'll just want to add them to your vision board. I like to make my board a little bit bigger so I can kind of get a better idea of how it'll be, you know, so you can resize your images. You can also crop them if you don't need the full image. So you can see I'm just cropping that picture so that I can do it how I want to. And you can layer things, you know, so you can just play around with it. So yeah, so you just play around with it, resize, crop, flip, twirl images that you want. Yeah, and then, you know, you can see how it'll look on the vision board. And then after you finish doing that, I suggest you either break this up into segments. Like this area is all about travel and leisure. This corner, you know, this corner can be about travel and leisure. This corner can be about family and love. This corner can be about career and success. This corner can be about health and fitness, however you want to do it. Or the way that I did my vision board is I placed something that's my main goal for this period of time in the center, and then I kind of went around from that to kind of show the other things that I also want, stemming off from my central goal. So once you've got your pictures in there, I also like to add graphical elements to make it interesting. So I just got these glitter or gold brush strokes and just you know, added some graphical elements okay, at the corner of an image or whatever. So you can, you know, flip those, rotate them, play with them. You can just Google the graphical image you want, let's say transparent gold brush stroke, and then you'll be able to see some images that have a transparent background, so you can use them like that, you know, whatever you want to do. just to make your vision board unique and pretty and how you want it to be. And then also, it's very important to add text to your vision board. So make sure you add some words that mean something to you, that give you a good feeling. And then play around with them. You can put like backgrounds behind them to make them pop a little bit more. Just so the words stand out. You can make them any color you want. You know, it's up to you, and it's up to your creative juices to get flowing. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, so you can have like backgrounds on them to make them pop a little bit. Love, peace, joy, whatever it is that you want to feel. Go ahead and add that to your vision board as well. It's very important to have some text on there along with the pictures. That'll help you manifest faster, I promise. So yeah, so once your vision board is done, I'll show you mine. So this is my vision board that I've finished. So you can see I've put like the text, I put some quotes, all of my images, I've cropped some, I've arranged them all over the place. So once you've got your image, your vision board done, all you need to do is download it and then send it off to the printer. So fast forwarding into the future, boom, I had my vision board printed. So now I just have to put this in my frame. All done. So now I have my brand new vision board that I can keep in my room and be inspired towards my dreams. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment below and let me know what else you would like to see. And I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.